We have 12,000 compounds, of which about 6,000 are commercially available, but about 6,000 of which we've actually synthesized in the lab. In fact, 12,000 of the approximately 15,000 or so molecules that we believe exist have either been tested safely in humans or currently being tested safely in humans or approved. Because Reframe is only 12,000 compounds, in fact, 30 plates, just one stack here, would essentially be the entire collection that would contain all of those compounds. The reason why we picked that was because significant unmet need, only one drug that is approved with marginal efficacy. In fact, our guidance from physicians in those countries who treat these patients is that typically they avoid using the drug in many cases because they simply don't believe that the cost benefit is significant relative to potential effects, negative effects of the drug. And so we felt like it was a good opportunity to find some new compounds. The real critical and difficult element of even in small molecule drug discovery is that the ability to go from an interesting hit to a molecule you can actually safely test in humans can take anywhere from 4 to 6 years. And the advantage of the Reframe collection is that we've been able to take a screen to a clinical trial in the matter of 6 months. We are extremely excited about this kind of open access environment of being able to share the compounds with relevant collaborators and to be able to get as many different diseases in the neglected tropical disease space, meaning diseases that are of high relevance, significant human impact, but where many people simply don't have tools and resources available to find new therapeutics. That's really where we would love for this collection to have major impact. And we think that having an open source environment, both in terms of freely sharing compounds with folks and then also sharing the data from that, is something we're very excited about.